Liverpool 3, Arsenal nil. What a dominant performance. What a brilliant, brilliant win. This puts us back in the conversation for the top four, and we couldn't be more excited. Welcome to Menace and the Monk. I am the Monk, and we are reviewing the Liverpool versus Arsenal game. Let's start with the team sheet. I think a lot of people were a little unhappy with Firmino and Milner being in the team in the place of Jota and perhaps Keita or Ox. But I think Milner, especially talking about him, he was really, really good, except for his miss in the first half. And he played two positions, and he just keeps justifying why Klopp selects him, and he keeps providing the goods. Talking about Firmino, though, I think it was a very good performance from him. He looked very sharp. He looked definitely much better than what he has looked quite recently, and it was a brilliant performance. And we have to talk about the most obvious thing, Diogo Jota. What a fantastic signing he has been. What a brilliant, brilliant cameo by him. Scored within 3 minutes of him coming on and completely changed the game. I think if we talk about the first half as such, we were completely dominant throughout the game, and in the first half, the only thing that was missing was the goal. We did miss a couple of obvious chances. The Milner one being the biggest one of them, but outside of that, we were very, very dominant. One player that I must mention is Trent Alexander-Arnold. So I hope Gareth Southgate is watching this. What a way to prove your doubters wrong. What a way to give it back on the face of rejection. This is absolutely brilliant. I think his ball was inch perfect. There is no right back in the world that can deliver the ball with that kind of accuracy. It was absolutely brilliant. I mean, Robertson again, fantastic player. We keep saying that he keeps providing those runs. He keeps doing what he does, and it's absolutely brilliant to have a player like Robertson play for him. Mo Salah, top scorer in the league again, as it stands, and uh, there is probably only one term you can use to describe Mo Salah, and that is extraordinary. He is world class. He is absolutely brilliant. The goal that he scored, of course, you can say keeper error, but absolutely brilliant. And this victory puts us back in the conversation for the top four. This victory puts us in the right space of right mind space before we approach the Real Madrid game. So this is not a small victory by any stretch of imagination. This is absolutely important. This is absolutely you know this is vital. This is vital. I mean, we needed this. I think there were a couple of comments about how this team could do with a bit of rest, and that is something that we have also mentioned as well, and that was proven to be right. This was, you know I mean, after the rest, we looked sharp. We looked hungry for the ball. Every time we lost the ball, we were going at it, and this was an absolutely professional performance. It was amazing to see the team do what it does and do it so well. Um, talking about Arsenal, though, I really hope Kieran Tierney is doing well. It's never good to see a footballer getting injured. I think that speaking of from an Arsenal point of view, uh, they did not really get into the game too much in the first half. I thought that if they could get one ball past, they could slice it through and score. Having said so, Nat Phillips and Kabak again, we have to trust these guys. These guys keep providing, you know, proof of why they should be the center backs moving forward throughout this season, and they are making a brilliant, brilliant case for them. Once again, to sum it up, brilliant performance, brilliant display by the team, and this puts us right into the conversation for top four. I think this is the sort of fillip that the team needed, and we couldn't be more excited for the next game, that is Real Madrid. This is Menace and the Monk. Thank you so much. Cheers.